Best Mop and Broom Holder Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular mop and broom home organizers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. And we'll also share with you some of the features of this mop and broom holder that makes it so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo clip of how easy it is to set up this rack so that you can start using it right away. The one that made our list is the Berry Avenue Broom Holder and Garden Tool Organizer. Whether it's in your bathroom, kitchen or garage, you can use this tool organizer to declutter and organize your space neatly. It works both for indoors and outdoors so that you can organize your brooms, mops, rakes and tools, whether it's for home or commercial use. And because of its weatherproof sturdy design, it's tough and durable even under the weather. This commercial grade hanger has a 35-pound holding capacity. This means that your broom and mop will no longer slide down to the ground. As you'll see in the video shortly, it's really easy to install and mount on your wall to use right away. To check out the full specs of the Berry Avenue Broom Holder and Garden Tool Organizer and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/mopbroomholder. Here's a quick demo clip of this tool organizer. So there you have it, the Berry Avenue Broom Holder and Garden Tool Organizer. Considering its versatility, its ease of use, and how many tools it can hold, this is one of the most value for money organizers you can find. Again, to check out the full specs of this Garden Tool Organizer and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/mopbroomholder. Alright, thank you for watching.